everybody, this is Jill Felix and welcome to my channel. Today is quite an exciting day for me because finally, masashare ko na yung review ko about the Urban Decay De Slick Setting Spray. Now, if you saw my last review video, which is about the RCMA foundation and how it performs in Philippine weather, then you know that supposedly I'm going to review the All-Nighter and the De Slick Setting Spray today. However, I feel like para maintindihan natin how this product really works in Philippine weather, we need to have a comparison with a product that works really well in the hot, humid weather of the Philippines. And that is why I did a review and performance test of the Urban Decay De Slick Setting Spray along with the Ben Nye Final Seal. Now let's talk about this bad boy first. This bad boy has been in my kit from the very beginning. I use it on a lot of my clients, depending on what they need actually. This product makes your makeup smudge proof, it makes your makeup water resistant, and it also has a little bit of a sweat proofing to it. Now, whenever I use this on a client, a lot of them come back to me at the end of the day and say, my makeup stayed on the whole day. So this is a really good standard that the Urban Decay De Slick Setting Spray is up against. And if you're wondering how this little baby performed, please go ahead and watch the review and wear test. So this is how my makeup looked right after I finished putting them on. And I'm going to go ahead and apply the Urban Decay De Slick on the right side of my face and the Ben Nye Final Seal on the left side of my face. Let me just make sure that I clean up the patches. Sometimes you spray them on and it's just blobs come out of the spray bottle. And this is how it looks like right after the setting spray is applied. That's for the Ben Nye Seal side. And this one is for the De Slick side. Take note of the color saturation of my makeup because that's important in this wear test. But before we go to the actual performance test, I want to go ahead and check out the temperature and the actual humidity on that day. It was around 29 degrees Celsius and it was pretty muggy at 89% humidity. I applied the makeup at around 11 in the morning, and let's see how the setting sprays perform throughout the day. It is now 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I went ahead and turned off the audio for this video because it was too noisy out in BGC, so don't mind me talking there without any audio. But as you can see, at 5 in the afternoon, after 6 hours of wear, my makeup is still intact. On the Ben Nye Final Seal side, you'll see that there's a little bit of glaze here. And that's actually kind of normal with Ben Nye Final Seal. When you apply too much, I applied 2 layers of the Final Seal. When you apply too much, it gets a little glazy. But as you can see, the makeup is still intact. It has not smudged at all. It is the same makeup that you see from 6 hours earlier. And on this side, you'll see that it's really matte, even after 6 hours of wear. And my next check is around 10 in the evening that day. As you can see, there's a little bit of oiliness on the nose area up to the forehead, but take a look at the side with the Ben Nye Final Seal. You'll see that there is an evident glaze around the eyebrows, around the cheekbone, and on the forehead area. You don't see it on the camera, but there's a little bit of breakdown around under the eye area, but I feel like that's just because I put too much product on. And you see that the makeup, even after almost 12 hours of wear, you see that the makeup is still there, it's still intact, it hasn't moved. And even up to now, I still feel that there is kind of like a mask on my face. Now on the De Slick side, you see that it doesn't have any shine in that area. It has successfully reflect and shine throughout the day. It doesn't feel like a matte, it feels very light, but you see that there is less saturation of makeup on that side, just because it's not anti-smudge, but it really did take out the oiliness for the whole day. So ayun, that's how the Urban Decay De Slick Setting Spray performed in hot, humid weather in the Philippines. It made my skin mattified and it deflected oil for a long period of time, even in hot, humid weather outside Metro Manila. So yes, this one has definitely made it to my professional kit, and I've been using it for 2 weeks now, and it's performing really well, but it doesn't make the makeup smudge proof, nor does it make it water resistant, and so that's why the Ben Nye Final Seal will always stay in my kit. But yes, this baby is the bomb.com. I think it's a very good addition to my professional kit. And that, my friends, is my review on the Urban Decay De Slick Setting Spray. If this review has been helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification button so that you get updates on new videos. I shall see you on the next one. Bye!